Hi, it's Sandra. I finished cutting all my fabrics for the quilt along, and now I'm ready for one of the most important steps that I think you can have with quilting, and that's called organization. It's good if you can keep your things together and keep yourself organized. So I have my 3 piles. I am going to be placing my last cut on top of each of the piles. And so to be ready for next week, I am going to pin these together. And I'm pinning with 2 pins, and I will pin in an X. And I find when I pin with an X, the pins don't come out and everything is held together, and I'm ready to go for next week. So thanks for being with us for this. I appreciate you taking the time to look at the videos. We've tried to break them down so you can do one step, finish that step, and go to the next step. So good luck this week. We'll talk to you next week. Bye.